And welcome back to the North Gate. It's going to be a change. Okay, these guys are road construction, and we're going to have a lot of road construction, so I'm going to speed it up a little bit here in a little bit. First, we got somebody got some wood. Delivery of some firewood. And now it comes out empty. Same guys doing the road construction have wood, firewood. And then we got, what was this, our monthly Terminex visit for a property up there. And he comes out. Keep those bugs down out of the house. Okay, road construction, and here we go for speeding up. They're coming in, they're working on the upper road, they're working on everything. Coming out, coming in. 6:03 in the morning. And they leave the gate open. I think that was maybe a supervisor, hopefully. Wasn't in there very long, the truck's coming out, truck's going in. And I don't know what that was. Something with the road. And the shale went out down to the lower part of that piece of road. Here's some more shale that went. So they're doing it from our crossroad down there up, which is what, 100 feet, couple hundred feet. And more shale coming in, spreading it out, tracking it down to break it up. A lot of bulldozer work. And then more shale. They are making a crown in the road, and there we go, the roller. Get it rolled in. Pack it down. That's what the previous contractor over the years never did. They just used the bulldozer and bulldoze. And somehow the camera got sideways, so I had to turn everything upright, so everything is kind of weird now. Crew coming in. And going out. This has got to be some kind of contractors coming in. I don't recognize them. Or their friends, I don't know. And then we got back to the road. After they roll it in, the bulldozer's going back to spread out a little bit more, or flatten it out, I guess. They're back dragging. It looks like that gate's in the way. Maybe they should just rip the gate out. But they didn't. And roll it again. Now this is about 2 weeks worth of videos. So if you caught the front of it, the date, or from the last video till this video goes out. And looky there. Oh, they got a tree. But they got limestone going down. So probably Crusher Run. And trucks going in and out with that stuff. So I'm surprised they didn't actually roll that in, but the truck is pressing it down in. Yeah, when you're talking about a, I don't know, 10-ton truck and a 20 tons of rock in it, it does a pretty good job at rolling it in, except it's not getting the center. More trucks going in and out. And they closed it, and they're opening it again next morning, 7:55 in the morning. Spreading a little bit more on top of that one. It may be a different kind of rock. And more trucks of rock. Lots of rock. Now they did not finish up yet. So we'll still have more rock coming in and out on the next video. Stay tuned for that. And this one's coming in at 2100 hours. Do the math on that one. 24 would be midnight. It's dark. So off to the south, Middle Gate. Now this one we've had the camera problems. We got a turkey going out. We've had camera problems in the past, and I'm not sure if that's camera or card. But the camera's been a little wonky here and there. Okay, we got people coming in. Check out the tattoos on her back. And on the shoulder there. And going back out. I think they're probably going down to the river to get cool. Though it's only 77 degrees. Man, they're coming back in. So maybe they went somewhere else. I don't know. All I can tell you is they went in and out. I'm pretty sure. Watch his hand. Watch out, watch out, watch out. He wants to grab something. That was 62 degrees. Then we got somebody else coming in. That gate is a little sticky. And then somebody else, 8:45, coming back in. Is that the same people? Might be. There's that tattoo on the shoulder. Going out. Yeah, it's the same car. So, they probably went out to dinner. Who knows? And then the other car's going out. 78 degrees. And then I know where that box goes. That's a different car, different people. But tattoo on the shoulder. But that's a different car. Oh, watch your feet, girl. And deer. Anybody going up? Watch out for snakes. One of the owners has a big copperhead on their property. They've seen it a couple times now. So, copperheads, rattlesnakes, all the snakes are out. They've been out for a while. So watch where you're walking. They like to camouflage, and we got lots of deer. Oh, look at that little fawn, still got its spots. I think that the deer were born later this year. They're usually born in April, May. This is August. And it's still got spots. I don't know how long the spots last. And there goes the handyman for one of the properties. And deer. So if you want to keep track of us, you can subscribe. Give us a like. Give us a comment. And we'll catch you later.